Okay, hello. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you my lighting setup. So let's start, shall we? The first light that I've got here is a Showtec LED Par can, Par 56, and I got this from a company called RSD Music, and I got that for £36, which is quite a nice price. It gives a quite a fair bit of light as well. Just a quick few facts about it. It's got 153 LEDs. That's 51 red, green and blue, as you can see in there. Oh, and the gel frame doesn't act as anything, it's just cosmetic. It does make it look quite nice though. Yeah, and it's got, if I just show you the back, and I will use this one, because I know this one swivels round. With that DMX at the moment. And we can see it's got the dip switches on the back, and that's a DMX terminator, and a 3-pin DMX in and out. That's the sensitivity for the sound. Yeah, let's go back to the other one. You can also do sound active manual mode, which uses the dip switches, and it's got DMX as well, as I just said. 6 channel. The first channel is red, second channel is green, third channel is blue. And channel 4 is the brightness of it. Channel 5 is strobe, and channel 6 has the built-in programs. So the next one is a American DJ Fusion Bar FX Bar 2, and this has, I've also got this from RSD Music off their eBay shop, and that cost me £180. Which is alright price. It's got 144 LEDs in the middle there, and they're in sections of red, green and blue. That's 48 green, 48 red, 48 blue, and they have, all LEDs have a 50,000 hour lifetime until they die. On each end it's got some moonflowers, that's that one, and then there's one there, and one is a coloured one and one's a white one. I'll just show you the back. There you go, that's power in and out. The sound sensitivity, that's the microphone bit. And there's a UC3 remote there, and then there's the 2 DMX in and out, which are plugged in currently at the moment. And then there's the display. And you've got the menu up and down arrows and enter. And master, slave, DMX and the sound, and I think these are air vents as well, and that's a sticker on there telling you safety information. Yep, that one, that's 16 channels, which is quite a few because it controls each individual group of LEDs separately instead of just RGB, so that does take up quite a lot of room on my controller. And the last one is my Prosound Smart Spin, or SSN1, and this has a rotating barrel which we can rotate like this, and also it spins this way. Yeah, that has a 150 watt lamp. It's halogen, that is, I think, or is it tungsten? Same thing. 11 colours, and it's got gobos, 9 gobos and black, 11 colours and open, strobe 0.5 flash per second to 12. It's got 6 DMX channels, and I can't remember what they are, but I'll try. The first one pans the mirror, pans the barrel, second one spins it, and the third one and fourth do the colour and colouring gobos, and then there's the strobe, and it's got a functions channel as well to reset it and turn off the lamp on and off. It's also got audio, so that's sound active, and it's inbuilt shows and master slaver between different fixtures. That's up to 4 fixtures. And I've also, as you know, got another Par can, which is the same one. I got them in bundles too. That's it on my truss there. yeah, over here, it's not plugged in at the moment, but I've got a projector. It's quite nice for projecting onto the wall, which is there. This is a Infocus LP280. It's got a 200 watt lamp in it, and it's not bad. I got it for £40, which is a bargain. And you can I just plug it in with VGA from my computer, and it's also got in and out, audio in, S-video, and it's also got USB. So it's quite nice. It gets very hot, so I do have a glass plate to put underneath it to stop it burning whatever it's sitting on. And to control these lights, I have, unfortunately, a Geni DM4 Digimaster. It's not a very good controller, but I have made a few shows with it. It's difficult, but I have done it. It's got a 5-pin connector on it, but they make sure you use a converter, 5-pin to 3-pin, and it says you're not supposed to use it unless you're using Geni fixtures. It's 80 channels, which is quite a lot with these faders, 2 faders here and the joystick. So that's another 2 channels there, and this is the chase. And it does manual, program, music and auto modes on that. It's got a sound active chase, so if you tap the controller as you're going through the chase, it will change the scene. It's got 1,280 scenes, yeah, that cost me £80, which is a bit of a rip-off, but I didn't know what I was buying, because this was a long time ago. But now I've learnt, and I do actually have one of these, which is a Frog by 088. It's not mine, I'm borrowing it, so I won't tell you anything about that, as there is I've done another video on that that you can look at, and it's all on my channel. So that is my lighting setup. I'm quite proud of it, and I think it's pretty good. Yeah, I control these as DMX, as you may know. And if I'm just messing around with music, I just put them on sound active, which is quite nice. So thank you for watching. I'll probably do another video on sound, or yeah, another video on my sound equipment. Okay, thank you.